Hello, welcome to BOZWANG. Today I'll introduce the BZW-6C Hexagon-shaped terminal crimping machine. This machine is designed to crimp large square closed tube terminals, accommodating cable sizes from 6 to 120 square millimeters, with custom options up to 240 square millimeters. Equipped with an industrial-level control chip, high-precision servo drive, and PLC control system, it ensures fast, stable, and accurate operation. The intuitive touchscreen interface allows for instant adjustment of crimping parameters without the need to change applicators, significantly enhancing production efficiency. Delivering a crimping force of 200 kilonewtons, the BZW-6C can fully open its crimping head, making it ideal for mid-span connections and large terminals. It also offers precise adjustment of the crimp position to match the exact cable specifications. Compact in structure and low in noise, the BZW-6C is an ideal solution for industries such as automotive, high-voltage cables, new energy, and electrical power.